Hi, I'm Adriana at Noosa Barre. Today I'm going to be taking patients as I break stand on center of our mat. Let's begin by just rolling through those shoulders and softening the knees a little bit. All right. 4, 3, 2. Bring our chin down to chest. Hopefully start to bring those fingers to the mat and just bend the knees as much as you need to. Let the fingertips, and again, chin to chest. Slowly releasing down, rolling back up. Do one more. Chin. Hold here for a little bit longer this time. Let the head completely relax. And then again, start to roll. Okay. Take your arms up towards the sky this time. Big breath in. Then exhale, bend the knees. Bring them back up. Making the arms nice and that's it. Try and keep the weight into the heels as you bend the knees. And as you come up to step, it's a little bit of a squeeze. Roll back. Right, so remember, wax, we keep them short and sweet. Always keep them as their own. You can repeat it, or maybe at the end of a walk. Right, so it's up to you. Let's go 4 now. Let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to take a nice big wide step. Interlace the fingers behind you. Lift that chest up towards the ceiling, and then fold. Take the arms up. Head relaxes down. Release the hands all the way to the floor. Turn the toes out if you haven't already. Maybe take your stance a tiny little bit wider. Then I want you to bend the knees a little more and then straighten the legs out. So a little bend, press up, bend, press up. And again, think about pressing into the heels. So you should be able to wiggle your toes as you bend and straighten these legs. Perfect. Let's go 4 more now. That's 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to start to pivot towards my weights and then step forward. Grab a hold of your weights. Come up into standing position. Take the left leg back. Arms are going back too. So my back leg is nice and long. I'm bending into this front leg and I'm making sure that my knee is directly above my ankle. And then what I'm going to do here is work with a little bit of balance. We're going to lift the arm up, leg goes up too, and then take it back. So I'm working on sand today, which adds a little bit more instability and a little bit more of a challenge. So if you see me fall out, I'm just going to jump myself back in. Alrighty. So it doesn't matter if it's not 100% perfect. Just work with what you can do today. Breathing out as the arms lift up towards the sky, knee up as high as you can get it. We have another 4 here. That's 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep that left leg back, take the arms up 2. Now we're going to do little pulses up towards the sky. Lengthen through the fingers, open through the chest. Make sure that you're still nice and deep through that front leg. Breathing out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those hands to shoulders, back foot taps in, back out. So you should be feeling this now into that right glute area. Quads starting to fire. Make sure that you're breathing as it starts to get challenging. Don't hold that breath. Keep that going. Press into that heel. Lift the front toes up. You're doing great. Let's go 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the arms back. Second set. Lift up just like before. Beautiful. Let's go for 4, 3, there we go, 2, 1. Take the leg back, hold it here, pulse it up again, just like before. Try not to fall. Keep going. That's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those hands in, bring that foot in, out. Pick up the tempo if you'd like. So we're picking up that pace just a little, getting the heart rate up just a little. That's 8. 4 more. That's 4, 3, 2, 1. Take that left leg back. Bring the hands down, palms flat on that mat. Slide back. Lift your bottom up. Right knee's coming towards the chest. Stay on that right side. So the key here is that you're trying to bring this knee nice and close towards your chest. Take your time with it. Little bend into the elbows, so we don't want to lock the joints. 4 more now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back up. Bring the knees down. Extend the right leg back. Toes are pointing down towards the floor. Bring your wrists underneath those shoulders. Little lift here. So I want you to make sure that this is a tiny little move where you're not crunching into your lower back. We're drawing those shoulders down and away from the ears. You're thinking about your rib cage and your abdominal wall, lifting up away from the floor, right? So we're not trying to slouch into it, we're lifting away. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, hold up here on 1. Little pulses to the ceiling. So really firing into that right glute now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, extend back into your high plank, lift your bottom up. Step forward with your right leg to the outside of that wrist, then the left, lift up, down, step out. So wide steps as you bring the feet in. So again, working to get this heart rate up a little bit, really warming up through the muscles. That's how they work best. We want to be warm. We want to work our heart as well, right? So we want to get that heart rate up a tiny bit, but with low impact. So this is a great modification where you do not need to jump, but you'll still get a nice little steady heart rate up. How are we doing? Let's go 4 more now. That's 1. That's 2. Stay with me, you're doing really well. 1 more now. Good, beautiful. Bring it in, roll those shoulders. And of course, the other side. So grab those weights. Make sure you switch sides. Take the right leg back. Settle yourself back in. When you're ready, lift up, take it back. Beautiful. Nice and long with those arms. Really use those levels. Bring the chest down, lift it back up. That's 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back. This time the arms come forward. Pull. So I want you to visualize your upper back here. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Exhale, pull in. 4 to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those hands to shoulders, bring that back foot in. Tap it in, it's a little quicker. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back, take the arms back. Second set, lift it up. Let's go. Hope you're sweating a little bit. Hope your heart rate's up a little bit. Mine is too. We're in it together. Let's go. Final 4 now. 4, 3, 2, get ready. Keep that right leg back. Just like before, extend the arms forward, pull them in. Deep into that front leg. Maybe slide that back foot back a little. Should be feeling this into that left glute. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to shoulders, tap it in. And 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back. Bring those hands down. High plank. Lift. Left knee in. Bring that knee right into that chest. You got this. Keep on going. Final 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down to the knees. Extend the left leg back. Square those shoulders. Reset. Let's go. Lift, lower. So remember, not lifting too high where you're slouching and crunching into that lower back. Keep it controlled. The quality of the technique is always the most important thing. Don't just pump them out. Don't go into autopilot. Stay present in your body as you do your workout. 4 more now. 4, 3, 2. Hold it up here. Last time. 1. Pulse it out. Tiny little baby pulses. That's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Lift back up. Step forward with the left leg. Right leg. Last set. Home stretch. Let's do it. Lift up. Okay, finish strong. You might be feeling a little tired by this stage. That's okay. Slow it down if you need to. Let's finish this. 4 more now. That's 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Let's go. Beautiful. Big step back to second position. Reach the hands down. Ooh, a bit of sweat down my nose. Up. Bring it down. Other side. Bring it down. Grab a hold of your elbows here. Little pendulum swing. Release the hands. Side stretch. Press the hips away into that. Bring it up. Other side. Bring it up. Back together. Place the fingers so you can see that you don't need to jump. You don't need to do anything high impact to get your heart rate up, to get the muscles working. It's why I love Barre and Pilates so much. You can really incorporate big compound movements into the exercises and make them that little bit harder, but still safe on your joints. Roll the shoulders. 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed your workout. Please let me know how you went. If you want any more videos, subscribe or share it.